Installation is easy due to both sensors' compact size and the infrared sensor can be easily accessed from the communication unit without needing to haul any special tools into the field. For wells and pipes larger than 2 inches, adapter plates are included for secure installation with the communications unit. Anyone who monitors groundwater has probably had to pull up their sensor for battery replacement. This can be tedious and time-consuming, especially in deeper groundwater wells. Allowing for battery replacement from the communication unit immediately solves this issue. As we briefly mentioned earlier, damaging a silicon-strained sensor in the cleaning process is a serious risk. It is virtually impossible to damage a ceramic pressure cell using standard cleaning methods, allowing for consistent turnaround time back into service. Finally, OTT setup and review software was designed specifically for these products and allows all basic parameters to be set up in one window. Christelle will go over the review software in greater detail in a few minutes. The OTT ITC is the final piece of the OTT total solution. The ITC is a high-performance yet compact and economical means of remote data transmission. Christelle has already touched on the value of remote data transmission in water monitoring programs, and the ITC provides all flexible data management options covered, including transmission through text message, email, web page, and file transfer. The ITC features an infrared interface designed to work in unison with the Orpheus Mini and CTD, eliminating the need for additional cables between the sensors and communication unit. In line with the long battery life of the Orpheus Mini and CTD, the ITC's lithium battery cell will power the unit for up to 2 years at 1 transmission per day. The ITC can also be powered by a solar unit panel for even longer unattended transmission. Simply put, pairing the ITC with the Orpheus Mini or CTD allows for stress-free data monitoring due to an immediate savings in money and time spent in the field. The frequency and method that data is sent back to the office is completely dependent upon the user and project at hand, whether you prefer updates in real time, daily, monthly, or longer. The ITC is flexible to meet your needs. With the ability to send alert messages if certain monitoring thresholds are broken, you can truly rest assured that your site and water is in good hands. Once an ITC is set up with a sensor, the site may not require any maintenance for up to 2 years. Christelle will now provide an overview of the various data management options available with the OTT Total solution.
Thank you, Nick. Easy access to your data also includes retrieving archived measurements from a database or other file structure to perform evaluation or analysis. In the first section of today's webinar, we focused on data transmission from the device in the field back to the office. This was followed by an instrumentation review of the OTT Orpheus Mini, CTD, and ITC. Now we'll shift gears and talk about data management options. In this section, we'll discuss solutions from OTT as well as how data transmitted from the field can interact with databases or software you currently work with. Transmitted data can be automatically imported into the OTT Hydrus 3 software. Also, data sent from the OTT Orpheus Mini and CTD can easily be transferred to an existing database using supported Internet protocols and the OTT data format. For example, you can set up the sensor to send data to an FTP site, which is a specific point or location on a server, and access your data using your company's or agency's software package. Here's an example of one string of data sent from the device in the field to my PC. This is what the OTT data format looks like before being processed by a software package. The format is simple, and scripts can easily be written to bring data into your database. You can see each component of the string is clearly identified. The station number is a unique value associated with the monitoring site, and the sensor number corresponds to the parameter. Here, sensor 0001 is a level measurement, and we can see that the reading of 4.386 did not change over 15 minutes. With the OTT Hydrus 3 solution, the process of getting data into the software can be automated. This includes automatic import of historic datasets. Once data is in the software, you can adapt files to meet your projects. This includes selection of numerous formatting options to customized data presentation. Managing multiple sites requires a great deal of time. Visual presentation of data helps minimize efforts associated with reviewing and assessing real-time measurements from sites within your network. For example, displaying your site spatially and linking the most recent measurement to that site on a map can save time because in a few seconds you can access and assess conditions at your site. Visual data evaluation also includes displaying time series graphs of single or multiple parameters. Such basic analysis can offer a tremendous amount of information about conditions at your site and require little time or effort. This graph displays temperature and conductivity over 3.5 days. These measurements were recorded and transmitted to the OTT Hydrus 3 software from a remote well monitoring a fluvial aquifer. The well is located approximately 500 yards from a stream that receives discharge from the local wastewater treatment plant. It could be that discharges are influencing the temperature and conductivity values recorded in the well, and that we are seeing the daily trends associated with these releases. If you manage multiple sites, you may need to compare data from more than one site at a time. In this example, we are looking at data from two weirs, one upstream and one downstream. Here, the black line corresponds to the upstream level measurement and the red line to the downstream level measurement. Now we'll take a look at options for exporting data. The OTT Hydrus 3 supports single and multiple parameter export, as well as automatic export options. To export your data, you first define the parameter, time range, and the export format. In this example, we're exporting salinity, specific conductivity, supply voltage, total dissolved solids, temperature, and water level from the 25th of February to the 26th, all into an Excel spreadsheet. If you plan to import data into another software package, like ModFlow, you may need the data in a particular format. If this is the case, with the OTT Hydrus 3 software, it is possible to define the desired format and, if required, a specific header. Flexible data management options help you perform your job more effectively and efficiently. The OTT Total solution provides accurate, reliable field measurements of depth, temperature, and conductivity, as well as secure data transfer using GSM and GPRS technologies. In addition, the OTT Hydrus 3 software solution offers a database for archiving all measurements associated with network monitoring, as well as multiple evaluation and data export options. This compact and complete solution is an economical choice for increasing data accessibility and reducing field visits, and significantly lowers operational costs over the life of the project. Thank you very much for your time. This concludes our webinar.